these are little, actually the two little wheels. And actually, yeah, I didn't know they came in here. So it says Top Pony, but it didn't come in there. All what came in there is these two little wheels. Like, actually, it doesn't go on the ponies either. So, actually, I didn't know that I put these up there and everything. So, I had to, and I was about to do that, and I wanted to. So,
anyway, with the rest of your ponies.
Anyway, the rest of my ponies. Get my words. And this one's in a ponytail. Like, it is a pony, like a ponytail. It's for, like, this is a tail for a pony. So, it has a little tail thing on it, like a hair tie on it. Not a tail tie, but this one's hair is too hard. And actually, his name is
Buttonbell.
Buttonbell, right. So,
Who's this?
Granny Smith.
Granny Smith.
Wait.
Gilda.
Uh-huh.